Oh, in about 2005, six, that period of time, I was overweight, obese, having trouble sleeping. I had all the classic symptoms of a gluten problem, but didn't know it. I was very fortunate that at that time, Root Cause Medical was doing some, marketing outreach by sponsoring little lunches at various workplaces, and they happened to come to my workplace in Mountain View, and did a lunch and invited people there. And Dr. Rick did his presentation, and I knew before he was done, right, that this was me, that what he was talking about what the need to go gluten-free and all that the symptoms were exactly the problem I was experiencing. So even before they called me, I called them later that afternoon, set up an appointment, and as they say, the rest is history. So it was very easy. I came in with that initial appointment, sat down in a one-on-one meeting with Dr. Rick, and we went over things, and then we scheduled some lab tests, and based on that, we put together a whole regimen. The most important thing was getting rid of the gluten out of my diet, which I found relatively easy. Some people have more difficulty with it, but I found I very quickly didn't need all that bread, pasta, and everything else. I learned how to do alternative foods and eat things that sometimes people, I talk to them and they say, well, how horrible, you can't eat bread. And then I describe what I eat, salmon and fresh fruit and all these things. And they say, I eat very well, right?
All the alternatives.
So with that, and Dr. Rick also recommended exercise. So a coworker of mine helped me get started in rock climbing, which was excellent exercise. And the combination of all those things meant within a relatively short period of time, just changing the diet to go gluten-free, I lost about 10 or 15 pounds. And then doing a special dietary program for about the next year, I lost another, say, 35 pounds. So at the end of, say, a couple of years, I was down at one point 50 pounds from my peak weight. So first of all, they don't reach for a pill to fix your problems, to mask your problems. They look for, what is your body doing? Your body is creating this problem for some reason. Remove the reason and let the body heal itself, and it will. It's really easy. I thought for years, all my life, decades, that it was impossible to lose weight. They showed me that if you give your body the correct guidance, the correct nutrition, and the sufficient exercise, your body will lose weight right on its own, right? It's really easy. So their approach was, let your body heal itself, let your body work the way that it's supposed to without pharmaceutical medications, but with proper nutrition and plenty of exercise. Oh yes, I would anybody that has what they think is a medical problem, right? Whether it's a backache, headache, they're overweight, they can't sleep, or they have trouble sleeping, anything like that they think is a medical problem, they should come to Root Cause Medical first, because they'll get the right direction here, rather than masking the symptoms with medications, which in some cases can actually make problems worse rather than better. They will get the proper direction to help let their body heal itself.